Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your online community with CommunityHQ platform. Okay, so once you logged into your dashboard, you'll see the option Create Community here, and then just click on it. It will open this pop-up, and then put your community name. Let's say in this example, I'm going to create a community called Demo Community, and then I need to put description Demo Community description. Okay, so this is just the short description. You can put your description here and then create the community button. Okay, once you clicked, your community already created. Okay, so you can see here is the community, and it already shows one member. This is you actually. Okay, so once you create the community, you will add automatically as an admin of the community. Okay, so let me visit the community. Click here, visit button, and you can see the community is created. Okay, so it's empty and it's already done. Okay, so now you can start to put your post, and you can share your invite URL. Okay, by clicking this icon. Okay, once you click on it, then it will give you the link. Okay, let me open this here. Yeah, here is it. So once someone try to join, they can join your community, and it's really simple and easy way to create a community into the CommunityHQ platform. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.